हेलो गाइस, शुभम फ्रॉम शुभ ट्यूटोरियल्स। इस वीडियो में हम ट्रांसलोकेशन के पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन टू गेट नोटिफाइड whenever new video is out. This is absolutely free from your side, but this will help us grow. The first question for today is: in Burkitt's lymphoma, a reciprocal translocation between chromosome 8 and 14 is observed. If an individual is heterozygous for this translocation, the consequence in meiosis will be as follows. Okay, again heterozygous condition होगी तो प्रॉब्लम होगा, राइट. लेट्स सी द स्टेटमेंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या हमें देखना है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द meiotic consequence फॉर द ट्रांसलोकेशन डिस्क्राइब अबव. तो ट्रांसलोकेशन क्या है, बेसिकली हमने डिटेल देखा है. फर्स्ट watch that video, then come to this video, it will be more easy. First statement is 4 chromosome, that is normal chromosome 8 and 14 and translocated chromosome 8 and 14 pair together, right? Correct है. The two normal chromosome 8 and 14 and two translocated chromosome pair separately. No. Okay, no. Let's see other option. All gametes produced from this meiosis are non-viable. All gametes, as they have deletion and duplication. ऐसे नहीं होता. So this is again wrong. Okay, C is wrong. Okay. All gametes are not non-viable. In one of the cross configuration called alternate segregation, all gametes having normal or translocated chromosomes survive. Yes, correct. Okay, correct है. D is correct. So again option 4 correct होगा. Okay, and one more hint there is, see the next statement. The gametes having normal chromosome only survive, while all gametes having translocated chromosome are non-viable. Hence the translocations are used as crossover suppressors. अभी in the previous video only we saw inversion, right? And inversion को crossover suppressor बोलते हैं. Okay, so translocations are not crossover suppressor. अगर E wrong है तो 1, 2, 3 all the options are wrong because 3 E is present everywhere, right? Thus 4 is okay. Next question. A reciprocal translocation heterozygote at the end of meiosis 1 generate acentric and dicentric. No, ये तो inversion में present है. Viable gametes with deletion and duplication. Deletion duplication present है, viable नहीं होता. Viable gametes with only parental type combination. Yes. Or non-viable. No. Viable, non-viable, both are present. You can see the questions can be solved easily अगर आपको idea है. The following statements were made regarding the chromosome pairing shown in the figure below and subsequent segregation during meiosis 1 in the reciprocal translocation heterozygote. Okay. Which of the following combination of statement will most appropriately explain the consequence? Now let's see, यहाँ पे diagram दिया है, okay, of the segregation pattern, right? Now we know that. Let's see the statement. 3 ways of segregation in anaphase 1 would be adjacent one, vertically in the above figure, and adjacent 2 horizontally and alternate. Okay, मतलब ऐसा segregation जैसे adjacent 1, जैसे adjacent 2 and alternate like this. Okay, so these are the segregation pattern 3 types. So A is correct, right? I will erase this. So A is correct. A is present in all the options. Gametes resulting from adjacent 1 and adjacent 2 will be non-viable because of deletion and duplication of several genes. Yes, correct है. Like adjacent 1, suppose I say ऐसे segregation हुआ. यहाँ पे A, B, C, D है, G, F, E है. Same here, G, F, E present. So there is a duplication. A, B, C, D is absent. There is deletion. Right? So non-viable होगा. Again, if I say this is a segregation pattern, second type of segregation, adjacent 1, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Duplication again, G, F, E is there. यहाँ पे G, F, E नहीं है. So there is deletion and duplication. So this will be non-viable. So this is again correct. A, B, both are correct. All gametes resulting from alternate segregation will be viable as they will carry both normal chromosome or both chromosome having translocation in the two poles respectively. Yes. जो alternate segregation है उसमें 2 chromosomes आते हैं, right? 2 normal chromosomes or 2 translocated chromosomes which will be having all the genes present. Okay, suppose this A, B, C, D, E, F, G and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the genes are present here. Same here A, B, C, D, 5, 6, 7, 8 and यहाँ पे E, F, G 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be deletion duplication नहीं है यहाँ पे. All the genes are present in equal quantity. So C will be correct. Correct. Right? A dicentric and an acentric chromosome will be generated following alternate segregation. No. This is present in inversion. So A, B, C will be the correct. Option number 2. Now which of the following statements are true Robertsonian translocation? So Robertsonian translocation also we have discussed in the translocation video, right? Let's see the statements. Again correct हमें identify करना है. Size of the non-homologous chromosome involved in translocation will differ. Yes, size will change. Genes on the chromosome involved in translocation will show linkage with genes which it normally independently assorts. Yes, independent assortment show करेगा. There will be change in physical map but no change in genetic map. No, changes होंगे genetic map में भी. It can be identified by G binding. Yes, it can be identified by C binding. So G binding and C binding में there is a difference, right? But यहाँ पे option ही ऐसे है, there is no confusion. D के साथ F है, D के साथ F है. You can see E is not there only. E is wrong already confirmed, right? So no need to confuse. E option में है ही नहीं. It can lead to Down syndrome. Yes, we know that. A, B, D, F. Option number 3 is correct. Okay, so these are the translocation PYQs. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.